Dear students, I hope you have completed exercise 16C. Today we will learn about dividing lengths, and we will start from exercise 16D, how to divide the lengths. We will divide the lengths as we divide the ordinary numbers. So here you can see exercise 16D, question number 1B. 1B, here you can see 81 centimeter is divided by 9. So we have made division column. 81 centimeter divided by 9. So 9 9 ja 81. 9 9 ja 81. So 81 centimeter. So minus 0 0. So our answer will be what? Answer will be 9 centimeter. Here centimeter, so it will be centimeter. 9 centimeter. Same as E number, you can see 465 meter is divided by 5. Only units are different, others are same. So here you can see 465 is divided by 5. So one digit we can't divide, so we will take two digit. So 5 9 ja 45. 5 9 ja 45 minus 6 minus 5 1, 4 minus 4 0. Then this 5 will come here. So 15. Now 5 3 ja 15. 5 3 ja 15. 15 minus 15 0. So it will be here meter, here also meter, here also meter we can write. So this will be your answer. It means our answer is 93 meter. 93 meter. Same as E number, here you can see 522 is divided by 6. 522 kilometer is divided by 6. So 22 divided by 6. So one digit we can't take, so two digit we will take. So 6 8 ja 48. 6 8 ja 48 minus 2 minus 8 not possible, carry, then 12. 12 minus 8 4. Now here 4 minus 4 0, then this 2. Now 6 7 ja 42 kilometer. So 42 kilometer. 6 7 ja 42 kilometer minus then 0 0. So our answer will be what? 87 kilometer. 87 kilometer. Same as J number, here you can make. Okay, next we will see 2 number B. 2 number B, same thing, only you have to remember the table, then you can divide easily. So 396 meter and 45 centimeter is divided by 3. So division column we will make, then 3. So this we will divide. Now 3 1 ja 3 minus then 0. This 9 will come here. 3 3 ja 9 minus then 9 minus 9 0. Then this 6 will come here. 3 2 ja 6. 6 minus 6 0. Finished. Then this 45 we will write down here. 45 again we have to divide. 3 1 ja 3. So 1 minus then this 5. Now 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 15. 15 minus 15 0. Now our answer will be what? 132 meter and 15 centimeter. 132 meter and 15 centimeter. Okay, next 3 number B, here you can see 72 kilometer divided by 72 kilometer 426 meter is divided by 6. So same we have made division column. Then now 6 1 ja 6 minus 7 minus 6 1. Then this 2 will come down. Now 6 2 ja 12 minus 0. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. So this is finished. Then we take this 426. This is meter. Now so this will be kilometer. Then 6 7 ja 42. 6 7 ja 42. 2 minus 2 0. 4 minus 4 0. Then 6 will come here. 6 1 ja 6 minus, so finished. So this will be your meter. So our answer is 12 kilometers 71 meter. Same as you will complete this exercise 16D. Okay, thank you.